Hey guys, and welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. My name's Alyssa, and this is our 2018 electric smart car. We've had it for about 3 years. We just bought it off lease about 2 or 3 months ago. It's got around 16 to 17,000 miles, and it's got one issue with it that is absolutely ridiculously obnoxious that we're going to show and explain to you today. So this lovely smart car has been with us for, like I said, 3 years. It's been beaten up by Kyle, it's been beaten up by me, it's been beaten up by the dogs, and it still looks almost brand new. It's a convertible, which is totally awesome, especially for the summertime. Obviously right now it's not too ideal. And it's just really, it's held up very well. It's mainly our dog car. I put the dogs in there and bring them to and from the park and stuff like that. So it gets extremely disgusting and muddy in there, but the seats have held up. There's not many scratches that I can tell. I mean, it's just, we definitely need to clean it, but that's, you know, that's a later thing. It is fully electric. It goes about 70 miles on a charge, depending on the weather, honestly. The warmer, the better. Actually, where is it? The colder, the better.
Nope, the warmer, the better.
The warmer, the better. Yeah. So it's got the little mini trunk back there. I mean, we fit Blue back there, and we fit my, what is it called? My stand-up board for the water, whatever it's called, which is pretty big, and we fit both of them back there. They were snug, of course, but it still fit. I mean, we've used this for so many different things that people are like, wait, you can actually fit that in there? And yeah, we can. One thing it does have with the problem is like this power trunk has been, you have to kind of pull it a couple times before, but that's kind of the room that you have in here. And yeah, I mean, it's my favorite car. I honestly love it. That's why we ended up buying it off lease, because I mean, it just brings you so much joy that you didn't know a little smart car can bring you. And it's just so fast, and like, it's zippy, and you can park it anywhere, and it's funny. It's like a golf cart, and but you can drive it on any roads. But yeah, it's definitely torn up underneath from Kyle's endeavors with it, and we're thinking of lifting it. We want to make like an off-road build with it, possibly. Let us know if you'd like us to do that. We are totally looking into it. Just need to find the right outfitters that can do the electric smart car, because we know people who can do the gas smart car
and the last generation electric smart car, but no one for the 4, 5, 3 generation.
Right. So if anybody knows anybody who could do that, please let us know in the comments.
We're going full monster truck with this bad boy.
We want this thing to be piled high and just totally rocking down the streets. But
so it's perfect except for the trunk and for this issue where the car screams at you.
Yes, it literally screams.
We'll explain here in a little bit.
Yes, we'll explain it. But yeah, this is just a little quick tour of the smart car. It's pretty awesome, pretty dirty, pretty rugged, and yeah, everybody should own one. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday it was a little bit too warm. It was around 52 degrees. Right now it's 38 degrees, and the noise is starting as you hear it, and it gets even worse as we increase in speed. Isn't that lovely? I mean, that's just the most peaceful thing you could possibly take a drive and listen to this while you're driving in your car. So we found out what it is. It took us 2 years. We never really dove in to diagnose it, but it's our windshield. I guess when it gets cold, the seams or whatever shrink, and therefore air is escaping.
Yeah, and push on it a little bit, you'll hear it.
So that's the problem with the smart car. The boys will figure out how to officially fix it, so we don't have to listen to that anymore.
Yeah, I'm sure it's just a small little gap somewhere in the seal, and we can just reseal or put some extra pressure on there or something. Some duct tape.
Probably something more than duct tape. Maybe you know, some interior weathering stuff. You know,
duct tape.
Okay. Yeah. yeah, so that's pretty much it. Everything else is okay with it. The only other problem is we found out with just about any convertible that you can't really bring it through a power car wash and automatic, and it leaks pretty heavily. So yeah, other than that, it's in pretty great condition considering the amount of abuse it's been through and all that good stuff that Kyle's put it through. I mean, there's multiple videos of him jumping it on a like bike track and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe down below if you want to see more. Yeah.
This annoying problem with our smart car. We finally figured out what it is.